What's going on, everybody? I'm just showing my book, The Power of Boring. As you can see here, this is one of my signed copies by your boy. Over ordinary days, extraordinary life. We live in a world that glorifies the highlight reel, but the truth is the best lives are built in the moments no one claps for. It's true. Stay consistent, keep your word, and never give up. That's the power of boring. Get this on Amazon. It is available on Amazon on Kindle as well. Dedication. Copyright page. It's pretty decent book. Pretty neat book here. Let me open that for you. My why. This book is for you and explains why this book is for you. Table of contents. As you can see, these are 5 chapters. We have a challenge in there as well. This book is my testimony of starting and not giving up, and I hope one day it becomes part of your testimony too, for sure. Let's get down. Chapter 1. We're gonna go through pretty much that. Yeah. You know, pretty much explains everything in the book here. Yeah. Make sure I get that. I do have the hard copies available. If you need it, Amazon, there you go. See y'all later.